Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, and that is where the green line there is coming from. And to me, that's still the very important level to watch going forward. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but let's just say for whatever reason the price decides that it wants to roll back over again and fall all the way down here to $7.50, and then stay around there and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. Even if that were to happen, from the big picture point of view, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows here, and you'd have lows even lower than that. And if you envision this again, big picture perspective, and envision those as stair steps, you still clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, today the price made a nice recovery back upwards, but again, like I said, even looking at things in a very drastic scenario, should the price go all the way down there, I mean, that's a good problem to have, right? When you could have a big old pullback, a big movement to the downside, yet when you look at multiple days, everything would still be perfectly okay because there'd still be, as you see here, stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So yeah, near term, now ideally speaking, you want to see the purple or the price stay above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 850. But my primary point here is even if the price breaks below there, I mean, in my opinion, that's not the end of the world for all the reasons we just discussed, because even with that big old pullback, there you would still have an uptrend via those, higher stair steps. So keep an eye on that going forward. And as I've said in past videos, and I'm going to continue to say, on charts like this, resistance just doesn't matter. And I say that because, as I've already pointed out, as long as this movement continues, and as long as the price keeps building those higher bases, and if you want to picture those, like I said, as stair steps, then give it enough time, everything else is going to eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just continue to focus on those higher lows and healthy consolidations and sit back and enjoy the trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.